We all have that inner voice that criticizes, compares, or tells us we're never enough. Becoming aware of it is the first step in learning to let go of perfection. I try to reflect on my artwork during editing, the same way I reflect on my past, with compassion and kindness, and I invite you to do the same. I used to judge myself more harshly than anyone else ever could. Growing up, I was constantly criticized and compared, and subconsciously I took on that same voice within me. I became my own worst critic. The belief of not being good enough followed me for most of my life. It became perfectionism. It took me time to unlearn that belief, and it's possible to let it go. It takes patience, compassion, and a lot of honesty with ourselves. I stopped listening to that harsh inner voice because it's all a bunch of lies. We are born enough just as we are.